Christmas is a joyful festival celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is a joyful festival celebrated on 25th December. People decorate their homes with lights and stars. People decorate their homes with lights and stars. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts. Families bake cakes and spend time together. Families bake cakes and spend time together. Christmas teaches us to be kind, loving, and helpful to others. Christmas teaches us to be kind, loving, and helpful to others. Merry Christmas! Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.